Everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, December the 16th, 2008. Sorry about yesterday. I had a personal event to attend to. Could not do my normal broadcast. And I'm going to try and really start doing a lot more broadcasts for you soon. I do apologize to some of you really clamoring for it. But I'll do my best. I'll do my best. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Oh my goodness, the dollar absolutely taken out to the woodshed and shot. Dollar index, as you see here from our previous broadcast, we showed you the head and shoulders we've been talking about over the course of the last couple of weeks, developing under 84, and meltdown, baby. And again, the U.S. government slashing and burning interest rates, just chopping them to pieces, going down to 0.25. And they're going to be buying everything and everything under the sun. Any mortgage-backed security, they're going to buy every mortgage under the sun. They're going to keep rates low, let everyone refinance low, and save the day. Well, unfortunately, the United States doesn't have enough money to do it, in my opinion, and it's going to lead to economic ruin. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, again, the economic data wasn't very good at all. U.S. Housing numbers, disaster, just terrible, continued demise. CPI data out of London a little bit stronger last night. How about that euro? Let's take a look at this chart. Oh my goodness. Euro dollar exploding. And we showed you last week. Breaking that big downtrend channel line. To the moon, Alice. To the freaking moon. Now we do our Fibonacci. From the highs to the lows. Well, we're through the 38, and now say hello to the 50, which was almost in earshot today. 141.97 I have in this one. Hang on, let me pull this down a little bit. It was a little lower. 141.80, and I'll tell you, with euro sterling so strong, I would not be surprised to see it go to 146.30. Why not? So the euro dollar just to the moon, Alice. Euro sterling closing at 90.09. I got to tell you, a possible reversal on euro sterling. I'm going to take a look there. Dollar yen. Hey, listen, we saw the possible hammer. We had no bullish engulfing, no soup for you, no buy. Didn't even get over 91.50. So dollar yen looking terrible right now. And looks like it's rolling over again. I consult more with the hourly charts. But I think dollar yen, even not trading with the stock market. Euro yen looks amazing. We'll look at that in a second. But once again, when we look at this hourly chart, I mean, this is not looking very pretty. We could crack through and go possibly to 87. But 88.50, a big spot. If we can hold that level, maybe dollar yen has a pop and the carry trade has a rally tonight. That I could see. I could see something like that. Sterling dollar. Let's look at the hourly. Just gone. 55, as long as 55 holds. As long as this 54.50 holds, this is looking awesome. Now again, top of the channel to you, and this is way extended, due for a nice big pullback. So if we get a pullback to under 155, I think that's a great spot to get long cable. Let's look at the daily chart also, just to give you folks an idea. And again, if you have any questions about going premium, people we're doing much better these days. We had a bad week or so, but doing much better. Certainly made back last week's losses, that's for sure. Again, looking at this daily chart. Again, if you have any questions about going premium, go to globalfxradio.com. You'll be able to see what I just did. You'll be able to find out more about my services and sign up for the free one-week trial. globalfxradio.com. And I'm going to add Fibonacci to the highs, give you an idea. Back in July, end of July, and look at where the 38.2% retracement line is. Look at where that is. 166.40. Cable closing, major breakout here. This is from yesterday. And if Eurodollar goes to the 61, cable's going to the 50, and that's 173, baby. Don't get ahead of this. This is a big breakout. We're still, look where we were, look where we are. Yes, we've come a long way. Yes, we've come up 400, 500, 600 pips. Big deal. We went down 5,000 pips. All right? So just remember that when you're shorting cable, trying to pick a top. Good advice, people. It's breaking out. The trend is up. Euro sterling having a little bit of a rally right now. coming around the outside, closing high, looking good. Again, I think, we're probably going to grind higher, maybe 91. We pull back here a little bit. I think Euro sterling is going higher. I think we reverse. We're on the verge of a reversal. Now, this is a good example when I tell people about stochastics, overbought, oversold. Do I really need an indicator to tell me that this is overbought? Do you really want to waste your screen space on stochastics, overbought, oversold, on this chart? If you don't know and look at this chart and say to yourself logically, this looks like it could pull back. It's due for a pullback. That's what overbought is. So I don't need an indicator to tell me this thing is so overbought and it's so ready for a reversal. Just not yet. I think maybe tomorrow. German IFO. I got to tell you. So, getting back to, let's take a look at the, let's go Euro Yen. We have time. Let's go Euro Yen. Euro Yen, major breakout here, in my opinion. Major breakout to the upside. Over 125, we're 124.95. Big breakout, grinding higher. Again, another one that's been taken out to the woodshed and shot. And again, dollar yen's just not going down as much as euro dollar's going up, and that's why this is grinding higher. But any pop in dollar yen, and to the freaking moon, Alice. Again, just doing and again, this move is going to come very quickly. And I think it's going to come before Christmas, if it does come. At the end of the year, I'm predicting the carry trade collapses the last 3-4 days of the year. But I think we probably rally 135 we could go to. Look at that, just on a Fibonacci, just to the 38.2. The same channel line was just taken out, like the Euro channel line was taken out. So to me, this is looking very, very nice. Oh, baby. So Euro Yen, let's just go to the hourly chart, because we're probably going to get a pullback. The hourly chart looks pretty good, but looks like we might get a little bit of a pullback. Selling off here a little bit. Channel line, we get a pullback down to 124.50. I think that's a great spot to get long. Top of the channel, pull back 124 even would be a nice buy in Euro Yen. Sterling Yen, again, nice big breakout there. A nice big breakout in that Sterling Yen. Took out this whole downtrend channel line. Ah, damn. Closing above 138.50. As long as this 137.50 doesn't get taken out, this looks good. And again, let's look at where we are, where we could go, where we've been. So drawing a channel line here. This hasn't even broken the downtrend channel line. At 140 and 139.50. And I think it's going to happen probably tonight. Sterling Yen, love it. I like a lot of other things, but this Euro Sterling reversal, maybe. Maybe we got a little Euro Sterling reversal here, but still looks too good. No shooting star, no soup for you. Let's look at this Luna Yen also, because I think this one also could play catch up. Luna Yen, after the big meltdown here, but again, holding this line of 72.50. Looks pretty good to me. Nice little shooting star here. Maybe we pull back to 73.20. But this one's been slaughtered also. Certainly a rally to 77. And I like the commodity currencies. I think commodity currencies continue to play catch up. I think this Aussie dollar, go to globalfxradio.com and hear me talk about that. But Aussie looks like 75. Dollar Canada, 115. Easy. So commodity currencies, I think, are going to play big catch-up again. And if the TARP over Detroit were to get resolved, I think we're looking real good for an oil rally and commodity rally as well. All right, again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, info@globalfxradio.com. And again, free one-week trial, people. Try it out. We nailed today. The game plan was if they cut by more than 50, sell the dollar. So there was some nice trades to be made after that, for sure. Hopefully some of you did not go against it. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio YouTube. The only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money. Have a good night.